Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you one simple yet effective way using which you can completely uninstall your Microsoft Office from your Windows PC. So let's get started. To begin with, simply go to this web page. I'll give the link in the video description. Scroll down a bit and you'll get an option of uninstall. Click on it. From here, click on open get help. Now wait for the page to load. From here, simply click on yes. A PowerShell window will open up. Now this indicates that the uninstall process has begun. So once it is done, simply restart your computer and the job is done. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.